Welcome to MR Tech, the place where hacking meets transparency. Here, every tutorial is shown step by step with nothing hidden, so you can truly learn the art of hacking the right way. From penetration testing to cybersecurity tricks, I'll guide you through the digital world one command at a time. And together, we'll unlock knowledge, not just secrets. Subscribe now, and let's dive deep into the world of hacking.
Today, we are going to see what we can do if we forget our Linux passwords and usernames. Step 1. Just try the passwords. Sometimes you might get it correct. If not, you can move to step 2, which is resetting the password. In my case, I totally forgot my password. To reset your password, first you have to restart your virtual machine. After restarting, you should stay at the menu of Kali Linux without booting in, so you need to press the up or down arrow key to stay at the menu. And next, press the letter E to enter the edit mode in Kali. Once you are inside Edit Mood, now scroll down to the bottom until you see this. Once you see this move to the end of this sentence, you can see the word row, which means read only. So you need to change it into RWW, as in read and write, so that we can edit the Linux rules. After you granted permission to overwrite Linux, you now need to move to the corner of the sentence and type the code. Init equals /bin/bash and press Ctrl X. Now, the Linux will automatically restart and go into the CLI root user, where you can see the username and change the forgotten password. Now type the new password, retype the password again. Now you will see a message that tells that password is updated successfully. Now the root password is updated. Now you should know the username. In most cases, that won't be necessary to see the usernames, because the usernames will be there and only the password might have forgotten, but now I need to see the username as well. For that, you have to type grep-i double commas \b $symbol \b close double commas /etc/shadow and hit enter. Now you will see the username and the root user in that. Now, to change the password of your Kali user account, type password and your username. In my case, it's Kali, so I am typing the password Kali and hit enter. Now, you will be asked to give a new password to your account, so type the new password and retype it, and the password will be updated successfully. Now your Linux password is reset successfully without losing your data on your Linux machine. Now to reboot the Kali Linux, type reboot-f and hit enter. And let's wait until it's rebooted. Wait until the login screen appears. Now, you can use the username and the new password that you gave earlier. As you can see, the password was reset successfully. Now you can use Kali as usual. Alright, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this, smash that subscribe button, leave a comment, and let's grow together in this tech journey. See you soon.